Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Fortnite. You got the error, Fortnite has crashed in Fortnite chapter 5. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, open the Epic Games launcher, click on the option library. Under the three dots for the Fortnite, click on it and choose the option manage. And under the verify files, just click on the option verify files to make sure all the installed files are okay and working perfectly. Wait for the process to completely finish the verification of the files. Now once the verification is completed, go ahead and click on the option launch and check if you are still getting the issue of Fortnite has crashed. If this failed to work out, right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here percentage local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Here press the F key to find the Fortnite game folder. Open it, open saved, config folder, Windows client, and here you will find a file with the name game user settings. Right click and choose option delete. Once it is deleted, close it, restart your Epic game launcher by closing it, and even it is available in system tray, right click and choose option exit. Once you exit, again relaunch the Epic game launcher and again hit the play option, and this will fix out the issue of Fortnite has crashed error in your Windows PC. If this failed to work out, simply open up your browser and open the Epic game website and log in right over here. As soon as you log in onto the browser version, again click on your user icon and choose the option sign out from the browser. Simply logging in and signing out from the browser version, close it, again launch Epic Games library and then hit the launch option to fix Fortnite has crashed error while playing in the game. If this also failed, first of all launch the Fortnite. Now after launching the game, click on the locker option. In the locker, under the outfit, just go ahead and change your skin. Yes, this simple workaround help you fix the issue of Fortnite has crashed. Launch the game, under the character, simply change the outfit and better to select the skin as Hope. Once it is selected, head over to the play options and then select the game to fix the issue of Fortnite has crashed error in your Windows PC. Now if all the method fails, for Windows users, you can go ahead and simply create a new user account, and Epic Games has fixed out this particular crashing issue because the major issue is with the account, not with any game or with any user ID. So go ahead, create a new user account and then log in using that user account to fix out the issue of Fortnite has crashed error in your Windows PC. Now for PS users who are getting the issue of Fortnite has crashed while playing the game using PlayStation, here is a simple fix for you. First of all, go ahead, launch Epic Games and simply disconnect your PS account from the Epic Games and then reconnect it. Has sometimes fixed out the issue of Fortnite has crashed error in PlayStation. If disconnecting and reconnecting doesn't fix out for you, just go ahead and first of all launch the game in your Windows PC. Turn off your PlayStation completely and then launch the game in your Windows PC. Select library, launch the game. As soon as you launch the game, minimize it, right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here percentage local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Here open Fortnite folder, Fortnite game, saved, config, Windows client. Go ahead and delete this particular setting, game user settings. Once deleted, again in local folder, open Fortnite game, saved, and you will find another folder with the name web cache. Right click and choose the option delete. Once all the caches are deleted, close it. Again open the game. Once open the game, click on the locker option and here you will find a yellow icon over here. Under the character, click on the option options and choose clear all badges and option choose clear loadout. Do the same with each and every option available over here. Wraps, lobby, instruments, cars, jam tracks. Once you have done these settings, make sure the yellow icon that was previously available must be removed from here. However, if the yellow icon is still available, you need to do the same process again by clicking on the options and choose clear all badges and then clear loadout. I am again telling you to make sure the yellow indicator must be gone from all these outfits available right over here. Now nextly is turn off your PS5, then press and hold the PS5 button until you heard 2 beeps. This will start the PlayStation in the safe mode. Now over here find the option of rebuild database and delete cache. Go ahead, click on it and then choose the option clear cache. Wait for the process to complete it. Once the process is completed, restart your PS5, restart your game by closing right over here. After restarting your PS5 and game will completely fix out the issue of Fortnite has crashed error in your PlayStation. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.